Hello, everyone. This is my internship presentation. My name is Benjamin Belmont. I'm a junior, now going to my senior year at FGCU. So a little overview. I work with Manhattan Construction. Manhattan Construction, it is a group, privately held construction firm that provides general building, bridge, road, civil, and specialty construction services in the United States. They have offices in the United States, Central America, Mexico, Caribbean, and they've been doing this for over 125 years. I am currently with the Naples office and that division. So there's been two projects that I've been on for my internship. One was the Emergency Operations Center in Fort Myers, which was a 911 call center and emergency operations. And the most recent one that I'm on right now is called the Island at West Bay, which is a 25-story luxury condo high rise. My supervisor, his name is Chase Miller. He's 25 years old. He's an assistant project manager. He has 6 years of experience. And he went to Southern Illinois University, graduated with a bachelor's in business administration. Okay, so a few of my goals for this internship, for the 10 weeks and more that I will be doing, is to gain hands-on experience in construction, documentation, and coordination. So whether that's being out in the field and doing daily logs or doing documentation in the office, which I currently am. I want to develop skills in Procore and Primavera or the other scheduling options that they have here. This with Procore, right now I'm currently doing RFIs and submittals and meeting minutes. So to continue to learn more about Procore and the ins and outs during my internship is one of my goals. I'd like to improve my understanding in budgeting, cost tracking, and project turnover, considering I want to be a project manager one day. A lot of financial things go into it with contracts, so learning more about budgeting and the cost tracking will help me in my future. I want to strengthen my communication and leadership through meetings and fieldwork. So whether that's toolbox talks, conducting them, being out in the field and coordinating and meeting with the subcontractors, calling people on the phone, telling them that they have a hot RFI that needs to be sent over. So strengthening my communication will help me in the future. I'd like to apply my classroom knowledge to real world construction, and I'm doing that right now with learning Procore and yeah, some relating activities and experiences to the classroom or to my experiences is processing change orders and closeout documents. I have done 2 change orders at the EOC project with help of some bit, but eventually I will be able to do them by myself. Closeout documents, submitting as-builts to the owners, schedule and coordinate owners trainings and meetings. I've done this also at the EOC project. I was in charge of scheduling all 30 owners trainings. Use Procore for drawing reviews, documentation, and field updates. So I've been using the Procore to, when I get a submittal, to review the submittal that I got with the drawings and documenting everything. But I've been participating in safety protocols, daily briefings, and OSHA compliance, conducting punch walks in the EOC building. And I've done a transition between projects, applying my classroom knowledge directly on site and in the transition. Some additional activities is I've participated in a VDC seminar learning about class detection and digital modeling, attended owners trainings on UPS systems, HVAC, and critical infrastructure, took part in the Lee County Healthcare Data Center walkthrough, which gained me insight on these high sensitive environments. I've witnessed a ribbon cutting at the EOC project. I have adapted to new site conditions at a high rise that I'm currently at. And I am currently newly overseeing the dig out of auger cast piles. And then soon we will be putting the pile caps on them. For my coursework that's applied into the real world here, finance is a huge one, applying budget skills to change orders, construction safety, always following OSHA guidelines and safety protocols. Primavera 6, we learned that in the scheduling, so it has helped me assist in planning things. Pro this like bit that we went into it in school for documenting and drawing and interpretation and updating subcontractors. Soft skills, which leading meetings, submitting RFIs, coordinating with subs and owners. And then, of course, our company core values is safety, excellence, integrity, respect, and client-driven culture. So these are work samples. This is the EOC building here. It was an addition. This part is the addition. And this is the call center for when any emergency happens. This is where they sleep. I was on this project for about 4 weeks. This is the project I'm on currently. This is the island at West Bay. It's 25-story high rise. These are a few of the 400 piles that they have drilled into the earth, and they're now digging them up, getting ready to chip it away and place the pile caps on them. A little look into my Procore. This is my submittal section. You can see 1 through 11 here of all the different submittals that we have at the main sections. And it goes into a subsection. This is one of concrete. This is my workflow. This is Manhattan us. I submit it. This is the engineer and the architect. I have them starred, so they both have to respond. And we have the owner because he wanted to be on it to see everything that happens here. This is when I'm filling it out. I put in the title, specification number, who I got it from, and who's the contractor. What type of submittal is it? I have to give it a date and when it's going to be due, distribute it to the right people, and make sure the ball in court is in the right people. This is RFIs. This is one of the RFIs I've done. You got to put the question there, title it, add the link of the drawings, assign them to the engineer and architect, distribute it to the right people. Make sure I have, this one didn't have drawing numbers, but did have a reference number and whether if it's hot or not, and the subcontractor RFI. So this is just a little look at the things I've been doing during my internship. And that is all.